Hello everyone, welcome back to Buddha GS Center. I am Ajay Kumar and today we will dive into the thrilling and tragic world of Shakespeare's Macbeth. This summary will help you understand the main events and themes of the play. Let's get started. Macbeth is one of Shakespeare's most famous tragedies. It tells the story of a brave Scottish general named Macbeth, who is led by ambition and greed to commit regicide and becoming king, only to face tragic consequences. The play begins with three witches on a desolate heath. They plan to meet Macbeth after a battle. When they finally encounter him, they make three prophecies. Number 1, Macbeth will become the Thane of Cawdor. Number 2, Macbeth will become King of Scotland. Number 3, Banquo, Macbeth's friend, will father a line of kings, although he will never be king himself. Shortly after the witches' prophecies, Macbeth is indeed made the Thane of Cawdor. Sparking his ambition, he writes to his wife, Lady Macbeth, about the prophecies. She is determined to see him on the throne and convinces Macbeth to murder King Duncan, who is staying at their castle. During the night, Macbeth kills King Duncan in his sleep. He is immediately filled with guilt and paranoia. Lady Macbeth, however, remains calm and plants the body daggers on the guard to frame them for the murder. With Duncan dead, Macbeth is crowned King of Scotland, but his fear of losing power drives him to commit more atrocities. He remembers the witch's prophecy about Banquo and decides to eliminate him and his son Fleance. Macbeth hires murderers to kill Banquo and his son. Banquo is killed, but Fleance escaped. Macbeth sees Banquo's ghost and reacts in horror, alarming his guest. His mental state continues to deteriorate. Desperate to secure his power, Macbeth visits the witches again. They give him three new prophecies. Number 1, beware Macduff. Number 2, no one born of a woman will harm Macbeth. Number 3, he will be safe until the Varnam Wood comes to Dunsinane Hill. Meanwhile, Lady Macbeth is consumed by guilt over the murders. He starts sleepwalking and tries to wash imaginary blood stain from her hands. Eventually, he succumbs to madness and dies. Macbeth becomes increasingly paranoid and tyrannical. Macduff, a Scottish nobleman, arises an army to overthrow him. The English forces, led by Malcolm, Duncan's son, join Macduff's. They advanced on Macbeth's castle, camouflaged with branches from Birnam Wood, fulfilling one of the prophecies. In the final confrontation, Macbeth learns that Macduff was born by caesarean section, meaning he was not born of a woman in the usual sense. Macduff kills Macbeth, fulfilling the prophecy, and Malcolm is proclaimed king, restoring order to Scotland. Macbeth is a powerful exploration of ambition, power, and guilt. It teaches us the dangers of unchecked ambition and moral corruption. I hope this summary helps you understanding the key events and theme of the play. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Buddha GS Center for more literature summaries and English learning content. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing your English and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.